Hey guys, welcome back to Nextlux Reviews. If you love futuristic vehicles, luxury motorhomes, and insane off-road machines, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next luxury vehicle review here on Nextlux Reviews. Today, we're looking at something that feels like it came straight out of the future. This is the GMC Acadia Motorhome 2027. A massive all-electric luxury motorhome designed for extreme travel, off-road adventures, and next-level comfort. And yes, this thing doesn't just run on batteries. It can also recharge using solar energy, which means you can travel farther and stay off-grid longer than ever before. At first glance, the size of this machine is unbelievable. The body is long, wide, and extremely rugged. This isn't your typical RV. It looks more like a military expedition vehicle mixed with a luxury apartment on wheels. The black armored exterior, sharp body lines, and aggressive styling instantly give it a powerful presence. When people see this rolling down the road in the US, Canada, or the UK, they're definitely going to turn their heads. Let's start with the front design, because this is where the GMC Acadia Motorhome really shows its personality. The front fascia looks bold and futuristic. The large GMC badge sits proudly in the center of the grille area, surrounded by strong metal protection bars. Below that, you can see a heavy-duty recovery winch system designed for serious off-road situations. This means if you ever get stuck in sand, snow, or mud, this motorhome has the tools to pull itself out. The headlights are sleek LED units placed inside a reinforced housing. Above the windshield, you'll notice a row of powerful LED light bars. These lights are perfect for night driving in remote areas where there are no streetlights. The windshield itself is huge, giving the driver a panoramic view of the road and terrain ahead. Moving to the side of the vehicle, the first thing you'll notice is the massive wheel setup. This GMC Acadia Motorhome rides on 8 heavy-duty off-road wheels. Each tire is built for extreme terrain like rocks, dirt roads, desert landscapes, and snowy mountain trails. The suspension system is designed to keep the vehicle stable even when the road conditions are rough. The body panels are made from reinforced materials that protect the vehicle from damage during tough adventures. Along the side, there are large windows that allow natural light to enter the living area. You'll also see external storage compartments, where travelers can store camping gear, outdoor equipment, tools, and supplies for long trips. One of the coolest features on the side is the rooftop access ladder. This leads to a rooftop deck area where travelers can relax, enjoy the view, or even set up outdoor seating while camping in beautiful places across America or Canada. Now let's move to the back of this incredible motorhome. The rear design is clean but powerful. You'll see integrated LED taillights that stretch across the back panel, giving it a modern look. The rear section also includes additional storage, compartments, and access panels for the electric power system and battery management units. This motorhome uses a high-capacity electric battery system combined with solar charging technology. Large solar panels are installed on the roof. During the day, these panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, helping recharge the batteries. This makes the vehicle perfect for off-grid, living where traditional charging stations are not. Available now? Let's step inside. Because the interior of this motorhome feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. As soon as you walk into the living area, you're greeted by a spacious lounge section. There's a large sofa seating area designed for relaxing after a long day of travel. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, and the entire space is designed with modern lighting and soft materials that create a cozy atmosphere. In front of the seating area, there's a smart entertainment system with a large screen where you can watch movies, stream shows, or connect gaming devices. This makes the motorhome perfect for long road trips with family or friends. Next to the lounge area is the kitchen, and this is where things get really impressive. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you'd expect in a modern home. There's a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, and plenty of cabinets for storage. The countertop space is large enough for preparing full meals while traveling. The designers clearly understood that people traveling in a motorhome want comfort and convenience, so they made sure the kitchen feels practical and premium at the same time. Moving further inside, we reach the washroom area. The bathroom in the GMC Acadia Motorhome is surprisingly spacious. It includes a modern sink mirror with LED lighting, a full shower unit, and a smart water management system designed for long off-grid travel. The materials used here are durable but also stylish, giving the space a clean and modern feel. Next comes the bedroom area, which might be the most relaxing part of the entire motorhome. The bedroom features a large, comfortable bed with high-quality bedding and storage compartments underneath. There are also side windows that allow natural light during the day and give you beautiful views when parked in scenic locations like national parks or lakeside campsites. There are also built-in wardrobes and storage units where travelers can keep clothes and personal items organized. The bedroom lighting is soft and adjustable, creating a calm environment perfect for resting after a long journey. Another important feature of this motorhome is the smart control system. Almost everything inside the vehicle can be controlled through a central touchscreen panel. This includes lighting, temperature, battery levels, solar charging status, and even water usage. Now let's talk about performance, because this vehicle isn't just about luxury, it's also built for serious adventure. The electric powertrain delivers strong torque, which is perfect for moving such a massive vehicle. Electric motors provide smooth acceleration and quiet driving, making long road trips much more comfortable. The battery system offers long-range travel, and with the help of solar panels, the vehicle can extend its driving range or power the living systems while parked. This combination makes the GMC Acadia Motorhome a great choice for people who want sustainable travel without sacrificing comfort. Another advantage of electric motors is that they require less maintenance compared to traditional diesel engines. That means fewer mechanical problems and lower long-term maintenance costs. When it comes to price, a luxury motorhome like this does not come cheap. The estimated price of the GMC Acadia Motorhome 2027 is expected to be around $800,000 or even more depending on customization options. But considering the technology, the size, the off-road capability, and the luxury interior, this motorhome is clearly designed for people who want the best of the best, for travelers in the United States, Canada, and the UK who love exploring nature while enjoying the comfort of a luxury home. This type of vehicle offers an incredible lifestyle experience. Imagine driving across the deserts of Arizona, the mountains of Colorado, the forests of Canada, or the beautiful countryside of the UK while carrying your entire luxury home with you. That's the kind of freedom this motorhome represents. So guys, what do you think about this futuristic GMC Acadia Motorhome 2027? Would you travel across the country in something like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below because I always love hearing what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Nextlux Reviews, and share it with someone who loves luxury vehicles and crazy futuristic motorhomes. Thanks for watching. And remember, here on Nextlux Reviews, we bring you the most insane luxury vehicles from around the world. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big and keep exploring.